We will now look at products in CCP. First, click here on Products. This page shows all product ranges in your CCP system in alphabetical order. All products in CCP must be in a range. Some ranges may contain multiple variations, such as different sizes or colours. Some ranges may only contain single products, but still need to be within a range. This usually corresponds to how your products are listed on your channels. If you have multi-listings on your channels with several variations, these variations will be in a range together in CCP. If your products are listed as single items, these will likely be in single product ranges in CCP. If you're looking for a specific product range, you can filter this list by any of the letters or numbers here. Alternatively, if you click on Search here, you can search for a product. This will bring up a list of all products which match your search. The Exports and Import buttons here allow you to export your product data for any bulk editing and re-import the changes. This will be covered in detail in another course. Add Range is used to create new product ranges in your CCP system and will also be covered in detail in another course. Stock Alert allows you to set up an email reminder for when the stock level of a product hits a certain threshold. This is in 3 places in the Products section: here, which sets the same threshold for all products in your system; the Product Range page, which sets the threshold for all variations within that range; and on the Product Variation page, which sets it for that variation only. This allows you to be as high level or detailed with your stock alerts as you need to be. You do not have to set up stock alerts if you don't want to. I will now select a range from this list. This is the product range page for this range of products. Here we have the range name. This is the range SKU, which is a parent SKU for the range. The range ID is a unique number associated with this range. The channel listing status here will show how many channels this range is listed on. You can add this range to channels such as WooCommerce or EPOS from here, but will need to have set a full listing profile to be able to list to other channels such as Amazon or eBay from here. Setting up profiles will be covered in more detail in another course. The Stock Control Report here allows you to see a detailed history of any stock movement for this range. Selecting an SKU here allows you to see just the information for one SKU in the range. Add Product here allows you to create an additional variation within this range. This will be covered in more detail in another course. Each variation in this range is then listed here, showing the name and any option values for the product, the SKU for the product variation, and the stock level for the variation on the right-hand side. This button allows you to copy a product within a range and change the options to create a new variation. This will be covered in more detail in another course. Any discounts which have been set up, which are associated with this product range, will also show here. The Print Barcodes button here allows you to print barcodes for your products if they have been added to the variation. Under the channel type, you can select a certain channel if you need to display the price on the barcode. Under Barcode Tag, you can select what information you wish to display under the barcode. Barcode size allows you to select how large you would like the barcode to be. Print type allows you to select what type of printer you will use to print the barcode. Print quantity lets you select how many of each barcode you want to print. And barcode type allows you to select between main and additional barcodes on a product. Show unlinked barcodes will only show if you have uploaded barcodes into CCP from a spreadsheet to use on future products. Tick reflect stock level to print one barcode for each stock unit for each variation. Bay locations here will show any bay locations assigned to this range of products and allow you to set a new location if needed. If different variations have different locations, these can be set individually on the variation page. Option links shows which options are associated with this range of products and allows you to set new options against a product range. The values for these options are then set against the variation. Any options currently active on a range will be ticked here. Show as dropdown is used to inform the channel that this option should be set as a dropdown when creating a multi-listing, so that the customer can choose between the options. For this product range, these are colour and size. When all products are then listed together, there will be a drop-down on the listing for the customer to select between the available option values. Show as filter is a setting for WooCommerce listing and allows the option to be shown as a filter rather than a drop-down. The stock alert button here sets the stock alert threshold for all products in this range. Delete here will delete the range and all variations in the range. You are able to remove the listings from WooCommerce from here when deleting the product. However, all other listings will need to be removed from the channels first before deleting the products, or these listings will remain on the channel but will not be mapped to products in CCP. This concludes this section. Please complete the tasks below before proceeding to the next course.